Hello, my name is Christine, and today I will be teaching you how to upload images to the server using Media Library Folders Pro. Now go to https://www.angelscreations.net/act-login/ and login into your admin dashboard. Now you should be seeing something like this. Now on the left-hand side menu, look for Media Library Folders Pro. Once you have found Media Library Folders Pro, hover over it and another menu will pop out to the right-hand side. Now click on Media Library Folders Pro. Now you should see something like this. I have added a folder of your designer name. Now feel free to add some folders under your designer name by clicking on Add Folder, i.e. Angels Creations has got some folders under that designer name. Please remember that you can only do a subfolders if you want to sort your images into categories. Now click on the folder you want to upload to, i.e. Angels Creations, and click on Add File. You will see the upload box open up. Now click on Browse. Now search your PC for the image that you want to upload to the server and then click on Upload. Thank you for watching this video, and that is how to upload images to the server using Media Library Folders Pro. This video was brought to you by angelcreations.net.